Welcome to JH. Today, I am going to demonstrate how to fix Sonic Adventure 2 when it refuses to launch on Steam. If you are ready to jump back into the world of Sonic but are blocked by this annoying problem, you have come to the right place. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and we will get everything working again. To begin, you need to launch your Steam client. You can locate the shortcut on your desktop or within your list of installed applications. Opening Steam is the primary step because we must adjust settings within the software itself. Once the app is open, click the Login button if you are not already signed in. It is vital to access your account, so ensure you have your login details ready. Type in your account name and password accurately and hit the Sign In button. This gives you full access to your library and personal settings. Now that you are logged in, you should see the Steam home interface. From this screen, navigate over to your Library tab. The library holds every game linked to your account, and this is where we will perform the troubleshooting steps. Next, find Sonic Adventure 2 or any other title giving you trouble, as these instructions are generally universal. For our example, we will use Counter-Strike 2 since the steps are identical for most games on the platform. Once you have located the game, right-click on its title. In the context menu, select Properties and then go to the Installed Files section. Here, click on the button labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. This tool checks for any corrupted or missing data and repairs it automatically. Depending on your system speed, this might take a moment, so feel free to grab a drink while you wait. If verifying the files does not fix the problem, we can try using the Task Manager. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard. When the window appears, find Steam in the list and right-click it. From the menu, choose Go to Details, then scroll down until you see Steam.exe. Right-click that entry and select End Process Tree. This action shuts down all Steam processes to ensure a clean restart. Finally, reopen Steam by right-clicking the program icon and selecting Run as Administrator. Running the app with administrative privileges often solves permission issues that prevent games from launching. That should do it. By following these steps, you should be able to play Sonic Adventure 2 without further trouble. Thank you for watching and enjoy your gaming session. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more content.